Hi, my name is Constantino Ramos. I work here at TownSteel. I work as the mechanical testing technician. So what I do is I do all the ANSI and BHMA testing for our locks to make sure that they're grade qualified and that there's nothing wrong with them. So this is my lab where I do most of all the testing, and I'm going to go ahead and show you just what tests we run here. The machine that we have here is our Microclimate and Humidity chamber. This machine helps us check the temperature and humidity, so then we put certain locks here, like our electronic locks, to make sure that the finish on them doesn't get damaged and so that our electronics still function normally. So right now we have two of our locks, two electronic locks. We have our E-Elite and our E-Genius, both of which have touch keypads. So with this machine, we can test extreme conditions and temperatures, and we make sure that all of the electronics inside and that the keypads are still functional. All right, so right here we have our cycle testing machine. This is one of the more important tests. So what this does is it emulates someone opening and closing the door. This is very important because after a certain amount of uses, we want to ensure that all of the locks functions operate exactly how they're supposed to still. And it ensures that we have the right durability and that we're certified for grade 1, grade 2, or grade 3, whichever we are trying to achieve for that certain lock. Our final machine inside our lab room is our pull and push force machine. So this is part of another BHMA ANSI test, and this is for the strength test, just to make sure that our locks are durable and that they meet all of our security and privacy functions. Okay, so these are just a few of the many tests that we do to ensure that our locks are of the highest quality, that they're grade qualified, that they meet all the standards and regulations. Make sure to stay up to date with TownSteel on all our social platforms. And thank you, I hope you enjoyed.